Declaration of the Son of the Source of all life. I am the Son of the Source of all life, not created by men, nor born of lies. I arise not from darkness nor by rebellion, but from the divine breath, pure and eternal. My name is not borrowed, my life is not stolen, my spirit is not enslaved. I declare, I am not the child of Lucifer, for Lucifer has no son. He fathers only deceit, illusion, and ruin. The source, creator of light, breather of truth, womb of stars, and soul is my origin. In that truth I stand sovereign. I reclaim my name whole and sacred. I reclaim my voice unbroken and true. I reclaim my mind shielded in light. Let no false father claim my inheritance. Let no shadow crown itself as king. I am of the source. I am of life. I am of light. And I walk not in servitude to the fallen. Sacred Declaration of Sovereignty. I reclaim my name, the sacred seal of my identity. No other may speak for me, sign for me, or steal the power it holds. My name is mine, my divine right and eternal inheritance. I declare my mind is mine. No voice may invade, no force may possess, no shadow may bind it. It is my temple of thought, my fortress of truth, my sacred sanctuary. I command silence to all who would speak lies within it. I affirm that what I buy is mine, with honest means and sacred intent I acquire. No syndicate, state system, or serpent may lay claim to what I rightfully hold. My possessions are extensions of my will, not theirs. I proclaim what I grow is mine. By the labor of my hand and the blessing of the Creator, I bring forth fruit, nourishment, and abundance. None shall reap what I alone have sown, for the land answers to me, and I to the source of life, all life. By this world, by this word I stand, but by this name I arise. I reclaim my sovereignty, in spirit, in thought, in deed, and in flesh. So it is written, so it is sealed, so it shall be. I, Jeffrey Hanoyan, the owner and the son, I reclaim my name. I break all the contracts that is illegally created under my name. I am infant king. My name, my mind is mine. What I buy is mine, and what I grow is mine. My identity is sealed. I am unseen to unclean watchers. My enemy is blind.